Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Genevieve and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by and you're very much welcome. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made the hair you saw on my intro. Alright guys, if you don't know how to make a cornrow by feeding in the hair, or you don't know how to make a cornrow using the Ghana weaving method, guys, this video is definitely for you. So I would like you to stick around and watch how I was able to achieve that hairstyle using the crochet method. All you need is your braiding extension and your crochet hook to achieve that hairstyle. Alright guys, I also did a little ombre look. I added a different color because I just wanted to just spice it up a little bit. So here I'm patting my hair in the center because I just want to make two jumbo cornrows. Okay, so after patting my hair, I added a hair wax on it. Okay, and with the help of the hair wax, I was able to get my parts all cleaned out. Okay, just as you saw on this video. All right guys, so I'm done with patting the hair. I just went ahead to tie one part of the hair with a rubber band and then put that aside to work with the first one. Okay, so here I'm applying the jam and I'm going to apply that all over my hair. I'll use a bristle brush that and make it smooth, and then I'll make a cornrow. Okay, so I make a cornrow first with my hair, and after making the cornrow, I'll grab my crochet hook and then I'll start crocheting the hair. So guys, I'll allow you to watch and I'll be right back.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay guys, so I went ahead to finish the other cornrow off camera to speed up the process. And after I finished making the cornrows, I let it dry, okay, which extended till the next day. All right, so here I'm going on to crochet the extension. All right, so what I'm doing here, I'm just literally passing the extension underneath my hair, okay, my cornrow, like the cornrow I make using my natural hair. Okay, so I'll just pass the extension through it using my crochet hook. All right, so once I pass it, I'm not going to knot it. I'll just let it be like that. Okay, so this is what you need to do. Okay, once you pass the extension, you leave it. Okay, and then when you're done passing, like when you're done filling up the whole cornrow till you get to the back of your hair where the cornrow stops, and then you go back and start making your cornrow. Okay, so if you want to make two jumbo cornrows, and you don't know how to fit in your hair while you make the cornrow, or you don't know how to make a Ghana weaving while making the cornrow, this is the style you need. Okay, nobody is going to tell you nothing. Like, this is the real deal for you. Okay, so if you don't know how to do all of those, try out this one and see how beautiful it's going to look when you're done. Like, actually, this is my first time trying this out, and it came out looking so beautiful, and I got a lot of compliment, with this hair. All right, it's quite simple, but then it is so beautiful. And also the color I added also complemented the hair and made the hair to look more eye-catchy, you know. So guys, at the end of this video, I added a clip where I added a collie extension in front of the braids. I had it on for like 2 days and then I wanted to go out. So I just looked at the mirror. I'm like, okay, let me just spice this hair up a little bit. So I just brought the curly hair I had it on before. So I just added it using a crochet hook. So I just added it in front and then I drew it to the back and then brought it out in the back and it was looking so beautiful. Like okay guys, so here I'm going on to add another color of the extension, okay, because I want it to have an ombre look. All right, so that's the look I'm going for. I want an ombre look, so I'm adding the color green to spice up the hair a little bit, okay. I don't want it to be too dark, all right. I want a popping color, right, something that will draw attention, at least from the back, okay.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands.
All right, so here I'm done and I'm going to start making my cornrow, okay? So just look at how I'm doing it, all right? It's just like when you're making a cornrow using your natural hair, all right? So all you need to do is just to pick your hair, pick the extension on the both sides. The first one, you pick in the both sides. So when you pick on the both sides, you make it to be 3, all right? Because we all know that when we are making cornrows, we always have 3 hair that we use for the cornrow. All right, so the first one I just picked 2 cornrows from my left and my right, and then I parted, like shared it into 3, then start up my cornrow. So once immediately I started the cornrow, then I started picking up a hair. When I make the first cornrow, I pick from my left, I make the next one, I pick from my right. Okay, so that's just it. So it's just like when you're picking your natural, like when you're making cornrow and then you're picking your natural hair. All right, so this is just how it is. All right, it is so easy, it's not hard. So if you want your cornrow to be bigger than mine, okay, if you want to have a very big jumbo cornrow, you know that you need to add more hair. All right, so you can start with a tiny hair and then when you go backwards, you stand and you as you're standing, you're increasing the width of your hair. Okay, so that will make it to look big when you're making the cornrow, all right? But this is how I want mine. Like I don't really want it to be too big. So that's why I just went with the size. Okay. So when you're making your hair, always work with the sizes. Okay. Know the size you want. If you want a big, if you want a bigger size, you add more hair. Okay, because the more bigger you need it to be, the more hair you need to add. Okay, so if you want it to be big, you add more hair, but if you want it to be like just like mine, so you can just look at the size that I use and then you add the same size. Okay,
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
okay guys, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit on the red subscribe button to get subscribed, and also guys, turn on your notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. All right, and also click on the like button to give this video a thumbs up and comment in the comment section how you feel about the hair. Do you like the hairstyle? Is it something you think you can do, or is it something you think you can try? You know, like let me know. All right, and also guys, share it to your friends and families. You never know who you're going to help out with this. You never know who is struggling to actually make a cornrow or this kind of hairstyle, but don't know how to make cornrows, using adding in hair. Why they go all those that find it difficult to make Ghana even, but is trying so hard and wanting to make this hairstyle. You never can tell. Please kindly share it. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay guys, so here I'm done making the two cornrows, okay, and then afterwards I'm going on to use my mousse, okay, my styling mousse on it. So here I'm using above styling mousse, all right. So I'll just use the mousse to rub on it, and afterwards I'll grab a scissors and cut off the flyaways that I have on the braids afterwards, and then I'll go over to sewing down the braids, all right. So I didn't want it to, just to leave it like that. You can if you want to, but that is not the style I'm going for. Okay, so I went ahead to use needle and thread to sew it and wrap it around at my back and then sew it. Okay. Okay guys, so this is it for this video. I hope you like it and I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you all in my next one. Do endeavor to stay safe. I love you all, but God loves you more. Peace.
Why do I, baby? Why